Hey everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how you can change language in Notebooklm. In order to do that, you have to log in into your Notebooklm with Google account. In Notebooklm, you cannot change any language, so you have to do with your Google account. For that, you have to you have to open a new tab, search Google My Google account, and just simply get in. Go to Google account. Now in the search bar in the top right corner you can see this search symbol. Click on that and search for language. Here you can see there is a language. Now click on this pencil option. From here you can change your language from English to anything. In my example I will just simply change the language and save it. Now go back to our Notebooklm, refresh it. So here you can see the language has been changed. So this is how you can change a language in Notebooklm. If this video found helpful, then subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.